Hi, this is Dr. Coopers and this is assignment 3. As we all know, we have this two-link robot. In this assignment, we had to do the path planning algorithm in use. So we have removed the third servo motor and we have connected one pencil at the end factor. We have measured the length of the pencil accurately and it's 2 centimeter, and we have applied the tooltip transform to the pencil so we can accurately measure the end factor position on the breadboard. Now here we have applied D star and PRM algorithms, probabilistic map algorithm to the command. So this is the D star algorithm command and we have got the output of D star as this. This is the start position and this is the end position, and we got the green dots as the traversal. And we have also applied the PRM algorithm, the probability cross map algorithm, and we got the output for that, and that is this output. This is the start position and this is the end position. As the probability road map algorithm gives as many ways as possible, but it selects the optimal course to get on the final goal. Here we have created the graphical user interface which implements the PRM and the D star algorithm. Here we can see the code of the GUI, and after we run this code we can get the graphical user interface like this. We have 3 buttons here: PRM, D star and the create robot. After clicking the PRM button, we will see that the two-link robot will follow the blue path which gives the start position and the end position given by the PRM algorithm. And after clicking the D star algorithm, we can see the two-link robot will follow the path which gives the start position and end position, which is given by the green line, and it follows the D star algorithm. This is the GUI for the interpolation methods. Those are tpoly, lspb and mtraj, and after we run this program we'll get the GUI for that thing. And this is the GUI for tpoly, lspb and mtraj. After selecting tpoly interpolation method, the robot will give the start and end position for the tpoly algorithm. Here we can see the start factor and the end factor. After clicking the lspb, we can see the robot moving through that algorithm and gives the smooth curve as we needed. Here you can see the different lines because this graphical user interface doesn't give the big space in between them, but you can see it working. And after giving the mtraj algorithm interpolation method, we can see the robot moving as the mtraj way. Now we will use the GUI to implement the algorithm PRM and D star into the hardware. This is the GUI code, and after we run this code we can have the output like this. After creating robot, we will have the GUI and we will connect the hardware with it. It takes a couple of seconds to connect the hardware and connect to the port. Okay, so now the port is successfully opened. Now we will see the working of the D star path. We'll move the video towards the hardware portion. Now clicking the D star path, the robot will generate the D star path. After implementing the D star algorithm, we will now use the PRM path algorithm implemented into the hardware. Now clicking on the PRM path algorithm will give the interpolation of PRM method. Now it will generate the map accordingly. So it generated from start to goal points. Here we can see the results are not that absolute because the servo write commands only take the inputs as integer values and 0 to 180 degree values, and in servo motors we have such drawbacks like jitters, we have such drawbacks like DC gains, and the two-link robot has its own joint limit, so we cannot get the perfect and absolute values, but we could get the approximate values. So thank you.